skin problem, cries every day. I was really upset with these people because I told them I don't want to see this kid. I have 40 people already that day. I'm leaving the next day to China. I have to go seminar. I say, I can't just treat this patient. I don't want to do it because I don't want to have to have gel. I need 2 treatments for this kid, 2. But I only can do 1. So I say, I don't want to see this kid. They came in anyway. I'm pissed, but what you can do? She's crying the whole time. When she arrived, she's crying. She's just having so much itchiness and pain and just not fine. It's not fun for me. So I use the Pachi Pachi with Tai Yin Yang Ming with the Pachi Pachi. Here, Pachi Pachi. I do Tai Yin Yang Ming with this Yuan Luo points. Because there's such a little baby, I don't want to put needles in and take it out. I don't have time. So I did a Pachi Pachi 3 times for large intestine, spleen, stomach, and lung. And I did it 3 times. 圆穴, 落穴, and 合穴. I hold it on the 合穴. I Pachi on the 合穴, put it on the 落穴 and 圆穴. I just did that. 3 times, click, 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 click. 3 times, and I went away and come back and did it again. And went away to treat another patient and come back to treat it again for this kid. So on and off 3 treatments, 3 times, 3 circles for the Tai Yin Yang Ming. She stopped crying and you can see the itchiness already calmed down. So 3 weeks later I came back, it's already healed. As you can see, that's already healed. It's the same kid, it's already healed.